What's up YouTube? Valerie Lynn here, and if this is the first time you are seeing one of my videos, that is awesome. I'm glad that you found me and welcome. So the title of this video was, Is Internet Marketing Right for You? And what I'm going to teach you in this video is exactly that. I'm going to introduce the industry to you in a way that will allow you to decide if joining an online business opportunity and becoming a digital entrepreneur is right for you. So the best way to start an online business in 2019 is going to be revealed right here, right now in this video. So let's get to it. So one of the things that I have noticed after a year and a half of being in the internet marketing industry, being in the online space, is that it's pretty hard to introduce people to the industry that have no clue about it, that are very skeptical about it, people that are in that job mentality mindset, okay, and there's nothing wrong with it. I used to be there too until I made a mindset shift. So if you are one of those people, continue to watch this video because I have something for you. I created something specifically for you. So this is what I noticed. People have a hard time understanding the industry, and when they are presented with a business opportunity right off the bat, they don't understand. They don't understand the idea of using your money, making your money work for you, and investing in something that could be a long-term, return for you. They don't understand the whole concept of becoming a creator, a producer, and being able to do something for yourself to produce your own income rather than relying on a job to do that. Instead, you're relying on yourself. They just don't understand because it's a simple mindset shift that takes time to happen. So instead of having people run the other way, because a lot of people do if they don't understand making money online and the digital marketing industry, when you present a business opportunity, they just run the other way. So I've had this happen plenty of times, and I decided I needed to fix this. I needed to find a way to introduce people to this industry in a non-threatening way, a welcoming way. So what I created was an introductory course to digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So basically this course can be done in less than a day. It's very short, very straight to the point. And my goal with it is to inform and, educate people about the industry. I want to teach you the fundamentals, the basics, and give you this foundation of what it's going to take on a daily basis for you to be successful to make money online. We're going to go over what happens to your social media. We're going to go over how to find people who are interested in what you're selling. We're going to go over strategies and skills, and I am going to lay down a great foundation for you that you will understand this industry once you're done with my course. After that, I also have resources of what I use on a daily basis to make money, to make a full-time income from home. I show you what I use, the business opportunities that I have. And the thing is, I want this course to make you make a decision about this industry, whether it's going to be right for you or not. You take my training and think, you know what, yes, I can do this. I see the value of this. I see the potential for myself, and I want to get started. But maybe you don't like the resources that I have to offer for you to make money with. No problem. All I want to do is be able to educate you to make a decision about whether this industry is going to be a good choice for you or not. So it's no problem if you decide what I have to offer isn't for you. But as long as I could inform you and educate you and give you this push that you needed to go find a business that works for you, that works for me. You can get this course right down below in the description. It is my introductory course to internet marketing and entrepreneurship. Go ahead and check it out down below in the description. It is a one-time payment of $7. Yeah, that's it. There are no monthly fees, no high investments, no crazy risk for you. This is not a business opportunity that you join and get clueless about and you're trying to figure out how to make your money back. It's nothing like that. This is specifically just to introduce you to what it's going to take for you to be successful online, and then you can make a decision if you want to get into this industry or not. So go ahead and click that link in the description. Go ahead and register for my course. Make sure to connect with me. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep pumping out content for you guys. And if you register for my course, absolutely connect with me because I want to know and I want to help you along that journey. So check it out, click it, register, and get started making money in 2019 the right way.